Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Houston oil rig accident attorneys. Hard in an onshore or offshore rig accident, we help workers nationwide. Oil drilling is one of the biggest industries in Texas. The sectors of our state economy employs both onshore and offshore workers for crude petroleum exploration, drilling, and completion of wells. It also employs workers to operate equipment that is used for preparing oil up to the point of a shipment to a refinery. Unfortunately, this industry is also one of the most dangerous. Blowouts occur on offshore drilling rigs and land-based oil wells, leading to severe and often fatal burns. Serious injuries and death can also result from defective or poorly maintained equipment, machinery, and pipelines. Drilling workers also face the risk of falls from a great height, such as from derricks. Our Houston oil rig injury attorneys believe something needs to change. And then drilling for oil is one of the most dangerous jobs in the nationwide, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Those employed in the oil and gas drilling industry have some of the most dangerous jobs in the entire United States. Oil and gas workers operate heavy machinery. Machinery has to be constantly inspected, repaired, and supervised at all times. Just one slip can result in an accident. At any moment, countless things that can go wrong when drilling for oil. Workers are expected to do the job for 12 hours a day for up to 2 weeks. Not only is this exhausting, but the job comes with other inherent dangers, even though employers are obligated to make work conditions as safe as possible. Navigating the deck can quickly turn disastrous. Seamen are often required to handle combustible materials with crane swinging. Heavy equipment is everywhere. Hard hats and steel-toed boots are mandatory, and for a good reason. Serious oil rig accidents are not necessarily common, but they can quickly become catastrophic when they do occur. Although large disasters are usually avoided, more minor accidents can be devastating. Maritime workers are at high risk of spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, and various other catastrophic injuries. Common drilling rig accidents and injuries. The oil and gas industry is a dangerous field, but the work that rig workers perform is commendable and necessary. Unfortunately, good workers often get hurt due to the unsafe practices, inadequate training, or old equipment. If you are injured while working on a drilling rig, you might be looking for a way to rebuild your life, find a new line of work, or even make the at-fault party cover medical costs. Arnold and Itkin wants to help. Rig workers, onshore and offshore, may be at risk of suffering severe trauma from sparks from equipment igniting flammable liquids and triggering explosions, well blowouts, oil rig explosion, land rig explosion, and fires in production tanks, being struck by swinging pipes, casing or cables, getting crushed by loads or cargo or heavy equipment, hands or feet getting caught in machinery, equipment falling because of improper maintenance, falls from derricks, unsecure ladders, platforms and hoists, slippery stairways and unguarded heights, failure to evacuate or evade heavy weather such as hurricanes and tropical storms. Remember, it is always best to speak directly to a legal professional about your case before speaking to insurer or company investigators. We handle hundreds of different cases caused by all types of rig accidents. If you do not see an accident type that matches your situation, do not hesitate to contact us directly for more detailed information about how our offshore rig accident lawyers are prepared to help you rebuild your life. Texas oil rig death law firm helping families find answers. Oil rig accidents are so severe that many workers never return home after one occurs. Our, our oil rig wrongful death lawyers are ready to demand answer when this happens. While we cannot change what happened, we can ensure that families have the financial security they deserve to move forward. No one can quantify how much a loved one meant to us, but wrongful death should seek aid for the family's income from before the accident, lost costs from child care and parental guidance, the loss of consortium, the loss of companionship, emotional pain and suffering. If your loved one was killed, you may be left wondering what you can do. You should know that you may be entitled to a wrongful death claim, a special kind of claim. Some employers may try to protect themselves from wrongful death claims by making their employees sign a waiver saying that their family will not be filed a suit. However, even those who have signed a waiver may be able to obtain compensation for pain and suffering or lost wages. The next discussion is about what causes oil rig accidents. Oil rig accidents may be caused by overlooked safety standards, aging equipment, carelessness, or poor rig maintenance. Working on a rig is dangerous with 12-hour shift and exhausting labor, not to mention dealing with combustible substances and heavy machinery. Even the journey by helicopter or boat to an offshore rig can be dangerous. Workers shouldn't have to deal with unsafe working conditions, but many do every single day until they are seriously injured in preventable accidents. Our Houston, Texas oil rig injury law firm is here to help. If you are injured, let our team determine the cause of your accident so we can seek justice on your behalf. And then what injuries can be caused by oil rig accidents? An accident on an oil rig may cause catastrophic injuries. These may include severe burns, crush injuries, and drownings or near drownings caused by rig fires and explosions. Other injuries may include broken bones, back injuries, internal organ damage, head trauma, and loss of limb. The type and severity of an oil rig worker's injury will depend on the type of accidents and other factors such as the type of work being performed, whether heavy machinery was involved, and whether the worker had the proper safety gear. What should I do after a drilling rig accident? If you are injured in a drilling rig accident, you should take 3 crucial steps. First, seek medical care. Second, inform your employer of the incident. Third, talk to an attorney. Taking each of these steps will help you protect your health, eligibility for compensation, and legal rights. Working on an oil or gas drilling crew may be dangerous, but this does not limit your rights to compensation for your injuries. At Arnold and Aitken, our drilling rig injury attorneys are here to ensure injured workers and their families get the medical treatment and support they need after serious accidents and injuries on offshore and onshore drilling rigs. We have recovered billions of dollars in compensation for our clients and are ready to see how we can help you. Call the Texas oil rig accident lawyers. At Arnold and Aitken, we are devoted to helping victims of oil rig accidents get the financial compensation they deserve. If you have suffered a burn injury, skill fracture, or amputation or lost limb injury and you believe another person's carelessness or negligence caused the accident, we want to help you understand your rights. Have you suffered any serious injury while working on an oil rig? Our Houston personal injury law firm is here to look out for your best interests and fight for the legal protection that you deserve. Call now for a free review of your case. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.